Hello and welcome to the course. My name is Alison and I'm one of the Untitled tutors. This is a short film with some directions to get you familiar with the Moodle platform. I would encourage you to spend the first couple of days getting familiar with the course before starting on the modules. This way you will be much more comfortable in moving around. You'll see on the screen the login page. Fill in the two windows, then click on the login. You'll have received the username and password from Mariano today that you'll be able to fill in these two boxes. Now click on the course. In the course overview you can see the International Certificate in Intergenerational Learning, 4th edition. Click here. And this takes us to the course overview page. However, before we actually start looking at the navigation bar on the left hand side, I'd like you to go into edit your profile. So if you look up on your right hand side, you'll see Alison Clyde student and you'll have an arrow. Click here, click on the profile, which opens up your page. Go down to user details on the left hand side. Underneath you'll see a button, a link called edit profile. Click here. And this will open up a page where you're able to put in lots of information. Now, as a minimum, we would like you to include your place of residence and also upload a passport picture so everyone can place your name with an image. It's so much nicer to have an image in your mind when you're doing an online course. Once you're happy with the information that you have submitted into the boxes, click down the bottom of the page on the Update Profile button. This will then bring you back to the page, your user details page, so that you can actually review the information to make sure that you're happy with that, with your To get back to the course, almost on the left hand side at the top of the page you'll see a My Courses link. If you click on My Courses, it'll drop down and you'll see the ISIL English 4th edition. Click here and this will take you back to that overview page. Now you'll see on the left hand side that there's a navigation bar, which is something that you'll use throughout your time on the course. For just now, I'd like you to go and click on the Welcome button. So click here, scroll down, and you will be able to watch 4 introductory videos from your tutors, from Mariano, myself, Claudia and Lorraine, giving you a wee bit of background about who we are. I then would like you to go back up to the top, go along to the navigation bar and click on the About This Course. Again, once you're on the page, scroll down. There's another ISIL introduction video, but this time this video is looking at the background information, the context of which the course has been developed, and there's also some details there about the course itself and how the course will work. So now you're ready to start Module 1. However, there is a key point that we would ask you to adhere. So if you scroll down a little bit more, you'll see on the right hand side at the bottom there's a little box. Now you're required to tick this box, and the reason for ticking the box is to let your tutors know that you've actually finished this section. There's you've got 3 modules, Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, and there's lots of different lessons within each of the modules. And at the end, you have to remember to click this box because you won't be able to progress through the course if you don't click the box. If you have any technical problems with the Moodle platform, then please do contact Mariano. If you feel that you're not able to work through the sections and it is a technical issue, Mariano will be able to help you with that. You know that there's 3 modules. Now if we look back on the navigation bar, you'll see that there's Module 1, 2 and 3. And if you click on the module, it will open up on the overview page. Just give it a minute to show us. Scroll down. You're then able to see each of the sessions, each of the lessons that's included within that. There's a total of 16 activities, and you'll be able to see, if we actually go back up to the top, if we scroll back up to the top, there's a table that you can actually download which gives you all the course activities at a glance, so you can print that off and use it. We would expect that you will submit 13 activities to your tutors. There's 3 activities which are auto-correcting, and there's another one which is about adding icebreakers and activities, and that's something that we'll ask you to do. We ask that you wait to hear from your tutor before starting a new module. This way we can ensure you're on the right path. We will try and feedback from your submissions as quickly as possible. However, please remember, or please note, that all our tutors are working full time, and it may be a couple of days before we can answer, depending on each of our work schedules along the next 7 weeks. We hope you enjoy the course and that you find it fulfilling. We think that the world today needs much more intergenerational work, and you are going to help with that, and we will do our best to help you on that journey. Good luck everyone, and I really do hope that you enjoy this new learning experience. Good luck.